Which should you buy, the UltraFast combo all-in-one washer and heat pump, or the similarly featured separate G650 series washer and regular dryer? In this video, you'll learn all the differences in price, features, and how long each took for washing and drying. The UltraFast is new and popular, but stay to the end for two reasons why you might want to consider more basic options. The washers are the same size at 4.8 cubic feet. The RPM spin is high at 1300, so the washers will pre-dry the clothes. Both have the same 32 load auto dispenser, releasing the right amount of detergent at the right time, and have good smart functionality through G's Smart HQ. So the washers are basically the same. The dryer is completely different. 650 is a regular 220 volt dryer, meaning it takes air in, heats it up with drying elements, and is vented to the outside through the back, like the dryer you have at home. The UltraFast is a 110 volt heat pump, meaning you can place it anywhere with water, a regular outlet, and a drain. That's it. Heat pumps recycle air using a compressor and heat exchanger. They typically dry to lower temperatures and take longer to dry, but are far more energy efficient than a regular dryer. So UltraFast can be placed anywhere with water, standard power, and a drain, while the 650 needs to be vented through your laundry room with 220 volt power. The popularity of the UltraFast is never having to transfer your load from the washer to the dryer like the regular set. It's great if you forget to transfer like me and have to rewash, or if you want to do your laundry before you go to the office or before you sleep and have it done in the morning. It's one and done, as their marketing proudly declares. Clothes and dirty and having them come out dry and clean is pretty cool, but not always an advantage, as you'll see later in the video. So the washer's the same, while the dryer's radically different. So are the prices. This is normally sold for $26.09. They had an introductory price last July 4th for $19.99, which coincides nicely with when you should buy appliances, that is, on a major holiday like July 4th, Black Friday, Memorial Day, President's Day, or Labor Day. 650 series will fluctuate between $17.98 and $21.99 for the washer and the electric dryer, so the UltraFast will cost $400 to $800 more, usually. The indicated UltraFast time for colors was 3 hours and 25 minutes, but actually took much less time at 2:51. The 650 set was 59 minutes in the wash and 28 minutes for the dry, for a total of 1 hour and 27 minutes. We'll get into the significance of splitting the times a bit later in the video. For whites, the UltraFast indicated 250, and that's about how long it took. The set was an hour and 9 to wash and 40 minutes to dry, for a total of an hour 49 minutes. The estimated UltraFast time for bedding was 2 hours 30 minutes, but only took 2 hours 30 minutes. But this is one of those cycles that really depends on how much fabric you're trying to wash. The 650 was an hour 8 to wash and 42 minutes to dry, for an hour 50 total. The comfort in the UltraFast indicated 2 hours 12 minutes, but it was 10 minutes quicker, still about 2 hours, but wasn't completely dry. The 650 was an hour 2 to wash, 48 minutes to mostly dry like the UltraFast. There's another 28 minutes to dry completely. UltraFast's convenience seems to wash and dry well, except for the comforter, which was mostly dry. It is convenient, as you can set it and forget it. However, the regular laundry set is much faster, even in bedding. When the washer is done, you can transfer your clothes from the washer to the dryer and then start another load. For whites and colors, you can do more than twice the amount of laundry in the same time. If you can't vent or don't have the adequate power, then the UltraFast is the best full-size ventless by far. It also uses less power and is more convenient. However, the UltraFast versus the regular set depends on how much laundry you do and when you do your laundry. About that heat pump technology. Heat pump technology has been around for over 30 years, but in HVAC units. So you're comparing a regular, reliable washer and dryer against an unproven technology in a dryer. So that may be a future concern. But what do you think? You can leave it in the comments below. If you want more with the UltraFast, you can click this video. And thanks for watching.